Wouldn't it be nice if cleaning the house could be like you see on TV? It can be. Your cleaning process has the solution. Introducing Esther Starcher. She has her own cleaning business and can handle your cleaning chores for you. Your cleaning process consistently delivers high quality, professional cleaning for domestic and commercial clients. Their technicians are trained and have the skills to handle any cleaning task. You can expect the very best from your cleaning process. Call Esther today. Tell her what needs to be cleaned and how often. Your cleaning process is a full-service provider that can handle any cleaning situation. Their packages and pricing are complete and reasonable. Complete home disinfection, regular residential house cleaning, commercial or office cleaning, or cleaning for a move-in or move-out. Call Esther Starcher for a no-obligation estimate. Maybe you have a shower that looks like this. Your cleaning process will have it looking like this. Maybe you work all day or would just like some time to relax. You can contact Esther Starcher at 719-400-9686 or by email at yourcleaningprocess@yahoo.com. She's available Monday through Friday by appointment or Saturdays and Sundays from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Serving Colorado Springs and Fountain, that's your cleaning process. Not just clean, cleaned your way.